Another cold day here in Sonoyta, Arizona. We're at 4,800 feet, so it gets chilly up here. It's about 45 degrees today. However, look what UPS brought me. UPS, that's UPS in Spanish. I get a lot of stuff from Vever delivered to me in Mexico at my home down there in Lake Chapala. Vever, tough tools, half price. Please enjoy my stories or whatever else might be on my mind today. This isn't my first diesel heater. I've reviewed a couple of them before. Also, we've got a Vever one down there in the barn, and I've got one installed in the front of my RV. So, Vever sent me one for my new workshop here off-grid. They sent it to me because they like me. Let's see what they sent. Two of the others that I have had to put them together. This one is a freestanding model. Parts there. See, there's a box full of goodies down here. The heated air tube probably goes there. Oh, there's a remote clipped onto this. The remote. This would be the burner exhaust tube, probably goes in there. A muffler, with a little collider. This would be the combustion intake tube and an air filter for it. That'll go there, probably come out from underneath like that. Bag full of clamps, nuts, and screws to secure it to where it needs to be. Right, well, let's open it up and see what's inside, see what it's made of. Got these snaps here. Like I said, the ones I've had before, I had to put them together. This one is already put together. The fuel tank, yes, it's already hooked up. The other models, I had to drill a hole in the tank and install the fitting and hook the hose up to it. This one's all ready to go, except they plug in the exhaust and the combustion intake. So I'm going to put that all together, decide where I'm going to put it here in the workshop, and we'll see if we can make some heat. You know, I said Vever likes me, and they do. They also like me because they not only send me stuff to review, I also buy a lot of stuff from them. I really am a fan of Vever. For instance, all of this weed barrier I bought from Vever. And it's turning out to be a really good deal here. And I got from Vever the stakes and the plastic thingies that secure it all down. I've had this down now for over a month, and that's working out really, really good for me. I bought a few things in Mexico from Vever also. I have a 2-gallon hot water heater that I put in the new outdoor kitchen that I built down there. That was a purchase I made from Vever, and it works perfectly. I've gotten a well pump from Vever, a 2 horsepower deep well pump that I installed in my well in Mexico. Anyway, I'm a fan of Vever. I'm not just saying that because they sent me a free diesel heater. I also bought a vise that I'm going to install here in my new workshop. And why am I a fan of Vever? It says it right there. I said it before. Well, let's read it again. Tough tools, half price. I like a deal. And speaking of tough and things that we actually spent our money for, there you go. A farm jack. Vever. Tough tools, half price. Here's a picture of me putting up my Vever gazebo tent that I got a couple of years ago. Got it all installed. Used a metal plate to go through the building with a much bigger hole, so we're not gonna catch the side of the wood shed on fire. And it is making heat. It's a lot noisier than my other ones. Even my other Vever. I guess that's because the pump is inside of a metal case. I might be able to get that to be a little quieter, but hey, it wasn't about quiet, it was about, ooh yeah, heat. Oh yeah. Thank you, Vever. I was skeptical that this muffler would make it quieter, but it actually does. Don't try that without the pliers. Well, the pump has quieted down considerably. I think that tick, 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 tick that was real loud was just the initial priming, because I don't hear it ticking hardly at all now. I can if I get real close, but this far away, I don't hear the tick. There we go. I put the exhaust tube on to blow the air down. Should always put hot air down. It'll drive the cold air down as it goes up to the ceiling. There's a nice remote. It's got on, off, plus and minus for raising the temperature up and down. So it's on, this is actually the controller over here. It's on 10. I'm going to press the minus on the remote. 9. Press it again. 8. 7. 6. And you can hear it cycling down. And then I press the plus. 7, 8, 9, 10. And you can hear it cycling back up. What did I tell you? It talks to you?
Start heating. Stop heating. Thanks for using. I wish you a safe journey.
Well, tomorrow we'll do some timing on temperature rise in a 160 square foot shed that's not insulated. Got the remote. Ooh, feels like it's colder in here than 54 degrees. On. Oh. No power. I have to turn this on first. And let's have some lights. There we go. Now let's try the remote.
Start heating.
Worked fine. So, come back in here in half an hour and see what the temperature is. Well, it's 9:30. Let's go and see if anything happened in the shed. Well, I don't know. It feels warmer. Might be psychological. The pump is making noise again this morning. I'm sure you can hear it. I did put a thermometer out here. Well, I guess it's raised at 6 degrees. Well, I brought my temperature gun out here. It's still 57 degrees on the floor. And if I shoot up here at the ceiling now, there on that 2x4, it's 68. Above the heater, it's 71, 69, 71. What's coming out of there is 144. That tube itself is 190. The wall over here is up to 61. The floor is 54 over here, which is about what the whole building was 40 minutes ago. Well, I took the case off to see if the pump was vibrating against the case. Nope. It's just the sound of the pump. Pretty noisy pump. Not a deal killer. It's about making it comfortable in here, and in the course of 50 minutes now, it has made it very comfortable to be in my workshop on a day that's 57 degrees outside right now. Anyway, like I said, it's the noisiest pump I have of the 3 diesel heaters I have. For a comparison of the sound of the pump, this is the heater in the front of my RV, and the pump is right down there. You don't hear it. I can barely hear it. Sounds like a watch ticking. There's the pump. There. You hear it? But it's working. It's making it warm and comfortable in here. And I won't leave it running all the time anyway. It's just to take the chill off in the morning. Well, thanks for indulging me again today. You know, I do these product reviews because I like doing them. And I also do them because I like the opportunity to give you a discount. And a discount always comes with these product reviews. And this one is certainly no different. 5% off of Vever products, links below. Thanks for being with me today. I'll see you soon. Hey, if you like me, give me one of those thumbs up. And please subscribe and hit that little bell so you know when I post next. Please share me with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed what was on my mind today.